So here we are, park number something, number 12, park number 12, Yorkshire Dales, just starting off on the Dales Way, so we're going to be following the River Wharf, I think, for a bit, see where we get to. I haven't actually seen any signs yet, signposts for the Dales Way, although I'm assuming I am on it. But yeah, a little bit of a taster of what we're going to be seeing, so can't wait. Fancy holiday homes. Look at them log cabins. So I'm just in 12.5 miles in now, and just something I've noticed which is a bit odd is that I've kind of come through Bolton Abbey, but the footpath signs for the Dales Way seems to have just like disappeared. So I'm just kind of currently following the OS mapping, and the bloody rain keeps coming and going, doesn't it? Keep having sun showers. So yeah, it's a bit of an odd one that. They keep they're there and they're not there. I'm not really sure what that's about. Something to do with Bolton Abbey doesn't like the footpath signs on their ground, I don't know, but if you didn't know where you were going, you wouldn't know where you were going, basically. I'm going to have to put me waterproofs. Oh, man. Just leaving Burnsome, where I've had a lovely bacon sandwich and a cup of tea and my favourite coke. I've had to don my waterproofs. Now, if you look, it looks nice and sunny on the river, doesn't it? It's warm, it's actually warm, and it's sunny. The problem is that within the next 30 minutes or so if you look up there, the cloud, all that cloud is blowing this way. So within the next 30 minutes or so, I'm going to be caught in the rain, and the rain's going to last for about 2 hours. I've only got 10 miles left, but I don't know what to do. I've put all my waterproofs on, expecting the rain, so it better fucking rain. Climbing out of Grassington now. Wasn't too keen on it. It's a lovely village, it's just too busy for me. It's the first bit of kind of solitude that I've had since I set off this morning. Everybody's kind of sticking to the main footpaths, although I've seen kind of hikers come across this way. Plenty of runners, so that's good to see. Yeah, it's been an okay day. I've got about maybe 4.5, 3 miles to go. 3 miles. So not too bad. I had a pretty good time. It's allowed me to stop and refuel quite a lot, which has been extraordinarily good. Baby fairy cow. We just want to pet and take home. I just put it in the tin and cuddle it. Not in a non-sexual way. Maybe I'll just delete this from the thing. Yeah, delete that. We are on a kind of more exposed moorland area now. This whole area, according to the OS map, was a settlement. So there would have been houses of some form on this area, medieval, lots of kind of ridges and bumpy bits, field systems cut into the ground, and probably like most of these now different medieval villages, they're probably kind of abandoned because of the Black Death. You actually that happen quite a lot. So if you see that there's a medieval village, or the remains of, on an OS map, it's more than likely that it was abandoned due to the Black Death, because it killed a bloody lot of people. So people kind of congregated more into areas. Family members died, relatives died, people not to do certain jobs, so they weren't able to do, they weren't able to live basically. And these cows here are having stop it. Just stop it. Turn around 60 times. Nasty. They just don't care, do they? Oh god. He's a little baby cow. And a baby cow. So, yeah. That's pretty much it. So not far into Kettlewell. Oh, I love these things. These things are really great. I love climbing up and down them. I must have climbed, what, 200 today. It's been so much fun. I've really enjoyed it. Oh, bloody hell.